Box cover, welcome back to another social media countdown. So let's get right into it. Ah. Number 10, chopped in second. Box cover. So congratulations is in order for Chef Andre Folds after he are placed second in the Food Network's Chopped Champion contest last, was it Tuesday? Yeah. So big congratulations. Woo! So on the same Tuesday night, he was actually in Kingston, Jamaica at the launch of the Food Awards. And I get to meet him, and him seemed like a cool and humble dude, him and his wife and his family and everybody. So just pre some of the highlights.
He has been there to really mold me and keep me on the right track because growing up on George's name, don't
Let's hear some noise.
Number 9, I am a big deal. My syllable. No, that make us start so when you mix up not really all that at, it just kind of halfway. So this particular picture of Christopher Martin surfaced recently, and social media, awful social media people decided say they must troll him. No man KFC, no could have posted a better picture of you though. One person commented on Instagram, why is he sticking out his chest like that though? I don't know, chicken pill gains maybe. By doing that, Christopher Martin is just confirming and showing us that he is human by doing the whole sucking your belly thing before you take a picture. Not because he must sing about, I'm a big deal. Means say him want him cut for be one too. Where Johnny Bravo go? But his one box would hell of a gas for ear take though, you know. I'll him start forgetting him draw corner. Number 8, Juliet's lengthy ride. Mibula Breadfoot. So Juliet Holness, wife of the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, is once again getting backlash from the public because of her long list of requirements for a charity dinner in which she was asked to be the guest speaker somewhere in Atlanta. People, if you don't know, most of the top people, the top celebrities, them and public figures, they all have a rider in which it states all of the little things them what them need in order to be comfortable when them make an appearance or go an event. Most time all me want just free food and AC. My girl to show want 4 or 5-star hotel. If an electronic mic them gonna give her, she need 2 days notice for that. Every single member of our team for have cell phone with unlimited international call and them capability there. The podium and our seat for be adjusted to her height. She don't want a plastic chair. When I like Juliet, the list I do, it's more specific than the 10 commandments. But no, so she was quite specific and the list kind of seem a little bit well extensive. But as long as it's not our box for taxpaying money she use, knock yourself out, Juliet. If I didn't me like you, and you want to come get like a free niche, you should have asked for something like 2-pack of weave, Juliet. Some free Wi-Fi access, 1 barrel of clothes, and food where you can care about down for your family and your friend. You know, think, Juliet, think. Number 7, Cuddies no more. No man, people, I not lie. When I hear the news, I was shocked and disappointed because I love Cuddies. I love the food, and I used to love the vibe there. But what I hear is that because of the competition, because you know, so Chris Gale have theme restaurant just around the corner, triple century, nobody not really got Cuddies no more, so they lose the whole of them little money and the whole like hype die down now because them been out for more than 5 years now. Don't really and truly hopes that Courtney Walsh and the rest of the team manage to get them acts together and get back the restaurant in action. Because me used to like the little vibe there and there, somebody celebrate my 16th birthday, and one time I go there and order food and then could pay feet and yeah, they never want me leave. I'm there for, wash plate. Number 6, man beat woman in a bus. No man. This wrong, bang. Yes, guys, yes, youths, yes, gentlemen who do things like this, they are just cowards. But just not understand how you feel be so proud, so confident for in a bus with other people and actually a pound out the woman face like that.
Yo, driver, go up there, the bus come on the bus station.
And the poor people them in the bus not even talk out because right about now the way Jamaica said, you don't know who a bad man from one a bad man. Next thing you open your mouth and it's as a cutlass you get in your throat.
And you're not here, what you man do you know? The police up and you go.
Crooked. Most crooked that you God man. Man. Some woman take up some things and they made it.
I was like, me just never know. I'm just over videos like this. What do you think, Burritos? Comment below. Number 5, father kills 3-year-old daughter. My word, my sentence, my back foot paragraph. So this story grabbed the attention of the entire country. A father kill him 3-year-old daughter. Him did tell family members from like before say him feel like him gonna kill him daughter, and him actually decided say him going to do it. He did it, kill the little girl and dump her body in some beach or river. Then, when a manhunt was launched, police managed to get a whole man capture him, and out of the box foot nowhere, him just ended up escape the little police custody. You tell me now. Then a day later, them go find him body at one house, full of bullet. Riddle, dead like a bat. We know the police, them can be careless sometimes, but honestly, I really think so the police that they want jungle justice for reach him. So them kind of just say, so the door, yeah, run through it. It's sad. Me can't even rejoice because at the end of the day, the 3-year-old is still resting in peace right now. Yeah, so what do you think, Burritos? Do you think that you're happy for this jungle justice? Was it okay for the residents then for just come here and kill the man? Comment below. Number 4, Conscience girlfriend bullied. No man. Why Jamaican people so savage? So this particular picture of dancehall artist Conscience and his alleged girlfriend was posted on social media this week, and people just had a bag of things to say about her looks. No, look on the girl. What's wrong with her? What the box? What's wrong with the girl? She looks like a very pretty, attractive girl to me. I mean, sure, she's a little veiny right here, so but who not have some sort of flaw? Someone say both say she's a transgender, but she look too much like a man, have man features and them something there. And one bag of other rubbish. Me I hear say, it is actually his baby mother. So they need to have little respect and stop go too hard on a girl, man. Good God. Conscience, you need to tell your fans them for just
Ease up, breeze up.
Number 3, the Spicy throw down. No, Spicy. You're not tired for make me count down. So Spice is our went to Barbados for a particular performance looking like a 2016 Power Ranger.
Crown them.
So on the stage, Spice decides if we take on not 1, not 2, but 3 man from the crowd. See number 1, yeah? No man, that take all the original brought back. No man, the brother you come to QQ Wi-Fi Matrix dagger when me invent last year. And see, the second brother yeah. When you dance with Spice, you know, and you a dagger, you know, and she a dagger you. No, that's on our way. And see, the last box foot contender yeah. My word! No sir! I forgot break down the video in a syllable so you can understand it. She draw for the 1 foot flamingo wine. Bust the slide and tackle trip shift. The poor brother just splatter out a ground like them worthless breadfruit. Then she let go the high jump split bounce about left right wine. No man, that shell. Spice the way you good, you don't even need gravy. That was so corny. Number 2, Little Buffalo Soldier. So a video of 6-year-old Audrey Nethry went viral this week with her singing Buffalo Soldier. Now Audrey, she has a condition known as Diamond Black Fan Anemia, and basically her little videos then was a way of raising awareness for this particular disease. So check out our video. I come all the way from Mutabaruka and Kunta Kinte foot bottom. And now check out the random video of the week.
Grandma, open up your mouth. Open your mouth again.
Mouth the back to that. That's what me say. That disrespectful.
And number 1 goes to Popcorn Loses Control. Woo! Yeah! So the rapper Drake last month make we hear one single from him album, then upcoming album, Views, with Popcorn. The song the title, Controller.
Girl, your body good and you're special to me. Wanna make you me.
Everybody hear it them time they and fall in love with the song and are looking forward to Drake's release of that album. So box cover last night yesterday. So Drake released the album on iTunes, and when everybody rushed for to listen to the song and fast forward, there was no mention, nothing named Popcorn on that song Controller. Not one pop, not one can. Instead him get replaced with the Beanie Man. From Drake point of view, Popcorn they deserve to get kick out. Wicked. And as are expected, social media had to chime in and jump on this piece of predicament. One person commented, controller without popcorn is just controller. Another cross-angry person on Twitter wrote, my father should have killed her in a Find Your Love. And then these memes surfaced. Well, that is it, Burritos. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Make sure you like it, comment, share, and you subscribe. Okay? Add me on Instagram and on Facebook. It is at Dirty Berry Show. If you want to email me, book me, or anything like that, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright? Take care. Until next time. Au revoir. Buddha bang.